On May 14, 2025, NASA's Astronomy Picture of the Day featured a stunning image of NGC 1360 known as the Robin's Egg Nebula. This celestial wonder, located approximately 1,500 light-years away within the southern constellation of Fornax, captivates viewers with its egg-shaped form and delicate blue-green hues. The nebula, spanning about 3 light-years, is not a symbol of creation but rather a glimpse into the final stages of an aging star's life cycle. Central to this nebula is a binary star system composed of 2 white dwarf stars that emit intense ultraviolet radiation, stripping electrons from surrounding gas and giving rise to the nebula's characteristic colors. As Andrea Iorio, one of the contributors to the image, explains, the stunning visuals of celestial phenomena like NGC 1360 remind us of the complex processes at play in our universe, while the cosmos continues to unveil its mysteries. Earth faces pressing challenges of its own. In a collaborative effort with Toho University in Japan, NASA researchers have utilized supercomputing technology to project the future of life on our planet. Their findings reveal a stark timeline for the end of all life on Earth, estimated to occur around the year 100,000,2021. This date highlights the Sun's gradual transformation, which will ultimately render Earth uninhabitable due to extreme surface conditions. However, the timeline for human existence is considerably shorter. As the Sun intensifies, it is expected to induce significant changes in Earth's atmosphere, leading to decreased oxygen levels and deteriorating air quality. The researchers noted that signs of these changes are already evident, with increasing occurrences of solar storms affecting Earth's magnetic field and accelerating the impacts of climate change. We may face a much earlier end for human life than the billion-year mark we've calculated for all life, cautioned René Resch, one of the study's co-authors. In light of these findings, the researchers emphasized the urgency of preparing for future conditions. They suggest exploring technological solutions such as closed life support systems and artificial habitats to maintain livable environments for as long as possible. Additionally, the potential for long-term colonization of other planets, particularly Mars, is gaining traction as a viable strategy for human survival once Earth becomes inhospitable. Meanwhile, the Sun's activity remains a significant focus of study. On May 13, NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory captured a powerful solar flare, underscoring the Sun's dynamic nature. Such solar events can disrupt radio communications and pose risks to satellite operations and astronauts in space, further illustrating our reliance on understanding solar behavior as we navigate both current challenges and future uncertainties. As we continue to explore the cosmos and comprehend the delicate balance of life on Earth, the insights gained from both astronomical observations and scientific modeling remind us of the fragility of our existence. Looking ahead, the intersection of technological innovation and space exploration may very well hold the keys to sustaining humanity in a changing universe. The ongoing dialogue among scientists, researchers, and policymakers will be critical as we chart a course for our future, both on Earth and beyond. NASA continues to captivate the public's imagination with stunning visuals and groundbreaking missions, as evidenced by 2 recent highlights from its extensive portfolio. On May 14, 2025, the Astronomy Picture of the Day (APOD) showcased the mesmerizing NGC 1360, also known as the Robin's Egg Nebula. This planetary nebula, located approximately 1,500 light-years away in the southern constellation of Fornax, displays a striking blue-green hue that resembles the shell of a robin's egg. The nebula is a remnant of an aging star's life cycle, serving as a cosmic reminder of the stellar evolution that occurs across the universe. The image, captured by Andrea Iorio Vikaschander and the Shara team, highlights the nebula's unique egg-shaped structure and its central binary star system, which consists of 2 white dwarf stars. These stars emit intense ultraviolet radiation that ionizes the surrounding gas, resulting in the nebula's vivid coloration. As NASA's APOD continues to unveil the wonders of the cosmos, it invites the public to appreciate the intricate beauty of celestial phenomena and consider their implications for our understanding of the universe. As the world gazes at the heavens, NASA's astronauts are capturing breathtaking views of Earth from space. Veteran astronaut Don Pettit, who recently completed his fourth mission to the International Space Station ISS, returned to Earth on April 20, 2025, his 70th birthday, after spending 220 days in orbit. Over the course of his mission, Pettit transformed the ISS into a photography studio, capturing stunning images of the planet below. Pettit, known for his artistic eye, utilized multiple cameras to document the dynamic beauty of Earth, from the glowing lines of city lights to the ethereal dance of auroras. "I could try to give them a glimpse through my imagery," he stated during a press conference, emphasizing his desire to share the wonders of space with those on the ground. His innovative techniques included using a homemade orbital sidereal tracker to capture long-exposure photos of celestial objects without the blurring effects of the ISS's rapid motion. The astronaut's work serves not only as a visual feast but also as a bridge between scientific inquiry and artistic expression. He noted, "I think these are a blend of both science and art, and his photography elevates the understanding of our planet's fragility and beauty." Meanwhile, the space coast of Florida has become a bustling hub of activity, setting new records for space launches. In 2024 alone, there were 93 launches, a significant increase from 72 in 2023. With projections suggesting as many as 156 launches could occur in 2025, the region is cementing its status as a leading launch site for both commercial and government missions. On May 14, SpaceX is scheduled to launch its Falcon 9 rocket for the Starlink 6-67 mission, part of its ongoing efforts to expand global internet coverage. As NASA and commercial partners like SpaceX continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the public is reminded of the critical importance of these missions in enhancing our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The intersection of art and science, as exemplified by Pettit's photography and the vivid imagery featured in APOD, serves to inspire a new generation of explorers and dreamers. With ambitious plans for future missions, including the Artemis II lunar mission slated for 2026, the journey into the cosmos is just beginning. The ongoing advancements in space exploration and the artistry they inspire reflect humanity's enduring quest for knowledge, beauty, and connection to the broader universe. In an extraordinary display of artistry and scientific inquiry, NASA astronaut Don Pettit recently completed a remarkable 220-day mission aboard the International Space Station ISS. Returning to Earth on April 20, his 70th birthday, Pettit, the oldest active astronaut in NASA's history, not only contributed to various scientific experiments but also captured stunning images that offer a unique glimpse into the beauty of our planet and the cosmos. Pettit's time in space was marked by a dual focus: conducting critical experiments while indulging his passion for photography. "Most people on Earth will never get a chance to go to space," he noted during a news conference after his return. "I could try to give them a glimpse through my imagery." With a photographer's eye, Pettit utilized multiple cameras to document the breathtaking views from the ISS, often setting up as many as 5 cameras at once in the station's cupola, which features 7 panoramic windows. The challenges of space photography are significant. Unlike ground-based photography, where the surroundings are relatively static, Pettit had to contend with the ISS traveling at about 5 miles per second while Earth continuously rotated beneath it. This dynamic environment allowed him to create striking images, such as capturing the blurred lights of cities transforming into glowing lines under the effects of the station's rapid movement. "I think these are a blend of both science and art," he reflected, emphasizing the interplay between technological precision and creative expression in his work. Pettit also employed a homemade device known as an orbital sidereal tracker, which helped maintain his camera's focus on celestial objects despite the station's velocity. This innovation produced remarkable images, such as a crystal-clear shot of the Milky Way, showcasing the beauty of the universe as seen from space. His work has not only highlighted the scientific potential of photographing celestial bodies but has also served to inspire awe and wonder among those on Earth. "How cool," he remarked, reflecting on the profound experiences he encountered during his mission. Beyond capturing stunning images of the cosmos, Pettit documented Earth from above, providing insights into natural phenomena and human activity. His portfolio includes breathtaking footage of auroras, lightning storms, and urban areas aglow with city lights at night. For instance, he captured the eerie beauty of lightning above the Amazon basin by stretching the exposure time to reveal intricate flash patterns. Additionally, he recorded human activities such as the green streaks of fishing boats off Thailand, which mimic the colors of natural auroras. Pettit's creative endeavors were complemented by scientific experiments. He conducted various fun and educational projects, including experiments with water droplets and antacid tablets in microgravity, which illustrated the unique properties of matter in space. He even froze thin wafers of water ice at extremely low temperatures, sharing the results with a sense of wonder about the possibilities of scientific exploration in orbit. As he reflects on his career, Pettit acknowledges that while he is currently the oldest astronaut in active service, he still has aspirations for future missions. "I'm only 70, so I've got a few more good years left," he stated, expressing hope for additional flights before he retires from space travel. In a parallel narrative, Jose M. Hernandez, another prominent figure in space exploration, is being honored in his hometown of Stockton, California, with a bus wrap that promotes his Reaching for the Stars Foundation. This initiative aims to inspire local youth to pursue careers in STEM fields. Hernandez, who overcame numerous obstacles on his journey to becoming a NASA astronaut, emphasizes the importance of dreaming big and working hard. "Dreams don't work without preparation, perseverance, and hard work," he asserts, embodying the spirit of resilience that characterizes many in the field of space exploration. As we look ahead, the contributions of astronauts like Pettit and Hernandez serve as reminders of the endless possibilities that await those who dare to reach for the stars. Whether through breathtaking imagery or community outreach, their stories continue to inspire future generations to explore, innovate, and dream without limits. The legacy of their work not only enriches our understanding of the universe but also encourages an enduring curiosity about the world and beyond. In a celebration of innovation and collaboration, NASA's Glenn Research Center recently highlighted the significance of its contributions to the Hubble Space Telescope during a presentation by senior materials research engineer Kim DeGrow. Taking place at the Great Lakes Science Center in Cleveland on May 8, 2025, the event coincided with the 35th anniversary of Hubble's launch, a milestone that underscores the telescope's enduring legacy as one of the most productive scientific instruments in history. Hubble has become synonymous with astronomical discoveries, revealing the universe's wonders to both scientists and the general public alike. The role of NASA's Glenn Research Center in this journey has been pivotal. DeGrow, who has been deeply involved in Hubble's servicing missions, shared insights into the challenges faced by engineers in maintaining the telescope's functionality over the decades. "We tested damaged insulation, determined why it degraded in space, and recommended replacement materials," she explained, shedding light on the meticulous research that has ensured Hubble's continued operation. During her presentation, DeGrow engaged the audience with a show and tell featuring actual samples from the telescope. This hands-on approach, combined with a Q&A session, allowed attendees to gain a deeper understanding of the technical intricacies involved in Hubble's maintenance. Her insights reflect a broader commitment by NASA to engage with the public and foster interest in space science. The importance of the Hubble Space Telescope is also mirrored in the recent activities at NASA Glenn, which hosted a delegation from Slovenia on April 11, 2025. The visit was part of an initiative to strengthen international ties in aerospace and space exploration. Led by Slovenia's Minister of Defense Borut Sejovic and the country's ambassador to the United States Iztok Mirosic, the delegation toured key facilities at NASA Glenn, including the Zero-Gravity Research Facility and the Simulated Lunar Operations Laboratory. The Slovenian delegation's presence at NASA Glenn signifies a growing collaboration in space science, particularly following Slovenia's recent membership in the European Space Agency (ESA) and its participation in the Artemis Accords. These developments not only position Slovenia as a budding player in the global space community but also open new avenues for joint research and technological exchange. As NASA Glenn continues to make strides in space exploration and research, the recent highlights demonstrate a commitment to innovation, international cooperation, and public engagement. With ongoing advancements in technology and collaborative efforts on the horizon, the future looks promising for both NASA and its global partners as they work together to explore the final frontier. In an era where the cosmos continually beckons with its mysteries, recent developments from NASA have captured the attention of both scientists and space enthusiasts alike. From stunning astronomical imagery to significant budgetary challenges that could jeopardize ambitious missions, the landscape of space exploration is as dynamic as the universe itself. On May 14, 2025, NASA's Astronomy Picture of the Day showcased the mesmerizing NGC 1360, colloquially known as the Robin's Egg Nebula. This celestial marvel, located approximately 1,500 light-years away in the southern constellation Fornax, is a striking example of a planetary nebula. Its vivid blue-green hues result from intense ultraviolet radiation emitted by a central binary star system of evolved white dwarfs which strips electrons from surrounding gases. The nebula, spanning about 3 light-years, represents a brief yet significant phase in the life cycle of an aging star. The color and shape are reminiscent of a robin's egg. But this is the end of a stellar life rather than a beginning, noted the APOD team, emphasizing the nebula's stunning appearance alongside its profound cosmic significance. However, as NASA celebrates such scientific achievements, it faces potential setbacks. The Trump administration's proposed budget for fiscal year 2026 has raised alarms within the agency, particularly regarding the Mars Sample Return mission. This ambitious project, which aims to return samples gathered by the Perseverance rover, has been labeled low priority and unaffordable amidst a proposed 47% cut in NASA's science funding. The overall budget for NASA is expected to fall from $24.9 billion in 2025 to $18.8 billion in 2026. Former NASA Administrator Bill Nelson articulated concerns about the mission's projected $11 billion cost and its tentative timeline for sample return by 2040, stating the bottom line is an $11 billion budget is too expensive, and a 2040 return date is too far away. The budgetary constraints appear to align with the administration's strategic shift towards prioritizing lunar missions over Martian explorations. With China planning its own Mars Sample Return mission Tianwen-3 set for a 2028 launch and a 2031 return, NASA's ability to remain competitive in interplanetary exploration is under serious scrutiny. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk has also expressed intentions to expedite human missions to Mars, potentially complicating NASA's objectives. While the budget cuts threaten pivotal missions, NASA has also made strides in other areas of space exploration. On May 13, the Europa Clipper probe captured a ghostly thermal portrait of Mars during a flyby en route to Jupiter, providing valuable data to validate its instruments. The spacecraft skimmed just 550 miles above the Martian surface, allowing it to gather over 1,000 images in infrared light, which will be instrumental in analyzing Europa's potential for supporting life. Phil Christensen, principal investigator of the Themis instrument aboard the Clipper, remarked, "We wanted no surprises in these new images," underscoring the importance of this data for future explorations. In a related development, researchers have also identified extremotolerant bacteria in NASA's cleanrooms, revealing the resilience of microbial communities in environments designed to be biologically sterile. This discovery, stemming from the Phoenix spacecraft mission, highlights the challenges of maintaining planetary protection standards, as even the most controlled settings can harbor unique microbial life that could pose risks for future missions. As NASA navigates these challenges and triumphs, the agency remains at the forefront of space exploration, balancing the pursuit of knowledge with the practicalities of funding and technological innovation. With critical missions at stake and competition intensifying, the coming years will be pivotal for NASA's ambitions in understanding our universe and ensuring humanity's place within it. The future promises to be filled with both obstacles and breakthroughs as the exploration of space continues to evolve in unprecedented ways. In the ever-expanding realm of space exploration, recent developments have underscored both the challenges and triumphs of international collaboration in scientific research. On May 14, 2025, two significant stories emerged that highlight the complexities of lunar exploration and the evolving dynamics of space agency partnerships. The astronomy picture of the day featured the captivating NGC 1360, also known as the Robin's Egg Nebula, a stunning cosmic structure located approximately 1,500 light-years away. This nebula, with its striking blue-green hue, is a planetary nebula shaped by the remnants of an aging star. Its binary central star system, composed of two white dwarf stars, emits intense ultraviolet radiation that interacts with the surrounding gases, creating the nebula's vivid colors. As NASA's astronomy picture of the day continues to inspire curiosity about the universe, it serves as a reminder of the wonders that lie beyond our planet. While the cosmos captivates the imagination, earthly concerns about space cooperation remain pressing. In a recent report from Space.com, it was revealed that NASA has been sidelined from sharing in the scientific bounty of lunar samples brought back by China's Chang'e 5 mission due to restrictive legislation. The Wolf Amendment, enacted in 2011, prohibits NASA from engaging in bilateral collaborations with the China National Space Administration (CNSA). This legislation has significant implications, while British and European scientists are able to analyze samples. American researchers face barriers that restrict their access and funding. The Wolf Amendment seems counter to the old way of doing things. Science has often been a bridge between opposing countries, notes Keith Cooper, the author of the report. The Chang'e 5 samples collected from the Moon's ancient volcanic region of Mons Rumker have already provided valuable insights, revealing that the volcanic material is billions of years younger than Apollo samples, indicating a prolonged period of lunar volcanic activity. This research showcases the importance of international collaboration in advancing our understanding of the Moon and beyond. Amidst these discussions of cooperation and competition, Intuitive Machines, a Houston-based company, is preparing for its third attempt to land on the Moon following two unsuccessful missions. CEO Steve Altemus provided insights into the challenges faced during the IM-2 mission, which concluded with the lander positioned on its side. The issues stemmed from interference with laser altimeters, difficult terrain, and inadequate recognition of lunar craters due to low-angle sunlight. As the company gears up for IM-3 planned for early 2026, it is implementing improvements to its landing technology, including redundant altimeters and enhanced optical navigation systems. Altemus expressed optimism about the future, emphasizing that the upcoming missions are crucial for both lunar exploration and the company's broader strategy to prepare for potential Martian missions. He noted that the integration of advanced technologies will allow for greater autonomy and mobility on the lunar surface, which is essential for future explorations. As developments unfold, the intersection of policy, technology, and international collaboration will significantly shape the future of space exploration. While NASA continues to navigate legislative constraints, the pursuit of lunar knowledge and the potential for shared scientific discovery remains a beacon of hope for researchers worldwide. With the next lunar missions on the horizon, the coming years promise to be pivotal in our quest to understand the Moon and the broader cosmos.